Hey guys, it's Maurice from Superhuman Soul. Alright, so today what I'm going to do is show you a couple of push-up variations mixed into a dynamic warm-up movement, something that you'll see in my Superhuman class. Alright, you can find that class on superhumansoul.com. Sign up for it. The class schedule for Superhuman is Sundays at 10:05, Wednesday morning at 6 o'clock a.m., and Friday mornings at 10:05 a.m. So, without further ado, you know where to find it, but this is where you're going to find this move, okay? I'm going to go into a basic push-up, okay? Basic push-up. I'll show you guys from the side here, all right? So you see a lot of people doing push-ups in different ways, all right? The main thing to remember is to keep your body flat, bending those elbows, bringing them back up. I'll walk a little bit forward so you can see everything, right? Down here and up. I'll even do you a favor. Turn over this way so you can see me straight on. So down here and bring it up. Now, there may be some instances where your elbow bothers you a little bit and it's hard for you, your elbows, your shoulders bother you for a little bit and you can't go all the way down, all right? You know what? Don't judge yourself so much. You gotta start somewhere. In that instance, versus trying to do a full-fledged push-up with your arms extended and your feet and knees off the ground, take it down to a modified position. There's no shame in that, okay? You want to build yourself before you break yourself. So I'm going to turn over this way, okay? So you're down here on your knees. Your legs are there, but they're not, okay? Now you want to make sure that you bend the elbows the same way. Down this way and up. Down this way and up. Now, to address the shoulders and the elbow issue, all right, you can go down to 90 degrees. 90 degrees only. Right, so I'll show you from the front view, 90 degrees here, okay? Go down, right there, and back up. Once again, down, back up. One more time, down here, back up. Right, so ideally, you want your arms to be more at this angle versus here, or flailing out like this if you're on the ground, okay? You go out like that, you're gonna do a number on your shoulder, and it's just not gonna feel good. So now, I'm gonna take that movement, we're going to a dynamic warm-up movement, right? Inchworms, okay? Into a upward reach. So I'm gonna start from down here, okay? I'm gonna walk my hands back to my feet, tap my feet here, walking forward, right here. Take my left foot, right here, turn up and reach, hold for a second or two, bring it back down. Notice I came down, brought the elbow down inside, replace the hand, step it back, walk those hands back to your feet. Tap the toes, walk it forward this way. Take that right foot out here, reach up. 2, 3, bring it down with the elbow. Once again, you got that nice little twist in there. Replace the hand, replace the foot, okay? Now I'm gonna show you this in full time, real time. So back it up here, toe tap, step, reach, 3, 2, 1, down, step back, inchworm here, tap the toes, bring it back, outside here, hold, 3, 2, 1, elbows, and down. All right, so here you have it. A push-up right down, an inchworm to a upward reach situation, bring your foot outside your hands, okay? So when you do that, you're opening your hips up, preparing it for the other movements that we do in class or for any other workouts that you're doing, okay? You can use that also as an exercise. That's the cool thing about your body. It's a wonderful machine. Utilize it to elevate yourself, okay? So, there you have it. I'll see you in class next time, baby.